Yes, very good evening to all the participants here. I am Savita Manoj, one of the expert tutor in Fevicryl company. I take workshops and I conduct different classes also. All types of crafts and paintings I deal with. Other than that, I take drawing classes, calligraphy, handwriting, all those things also I deal with.
Good evening, ma'am.
I believe now everyone you are ready to do your divine tea light for that, or something old invitation cards. Like invitation card, if you don't have, you can have a chart. You just paint on the chart with gold paper, gold or any color, whichever you wish. You can take a invitation. And other than that, what we are using is the CD, any old CD. If it is required, you can use it. Other than that, like in invitations, in grand invitations, no, we'll have stickers like this, which will be pasted in the invitation. Those things, if you have, you can use that, or these types of things are available in the market. You can get that and you can use it. And other than that, what we are going to use is molded. This is the clay from Fevicryl company. You can just note it down. This is the molded clay. We'll be using this clay. And other than that, the Fevicryl acrylic colors. Any type of acrylic colors, pearl metallic colors, like these things, or it is available in the market. Okay, you can get this and you can make use of this. Since because it is going to be a divine work, like for Diwali, it will be ideal. That's why I have chosen this. And other than that, like old caps and all is there. No cap, any type of caps you can use, like this type of cap and all is there. No, for beverage and all you get caps. And you can have lamp, or you can have something like this candles. Okay. It is not that only for Diwali we can use this. This can be useful for all purpose, like whichever religion or caste or whichever may be. You can very well use this as a decorative piece, or as a in any decorations you can use it. Okay, or showpiece you can use it. Now, I believe everyone, you can see these things. From old invitation cards, I have made strips like this. You just make strips like this. Okay, from the cards I have cut and made strips like this. This is the basic idea. Like it is a easy thing. If you are children, like you can make it on your own. This is like and the other shape which I have made it is for you. I am going to show it only with this. Okay, this is the just like that. I have taken a shape like petal shape. I have cut, and inside I have made all the cuttings like this. Okay, just make smaller cuttings like this. Now what we are going to do is just pasting all these things one by one. We'll be pasting it. Okay, we'll paste this and keep it ready. Then we can go for setting in the CD. How we have to do it, I'll tell you. It is not that base should be CD. It can be even invitation itself. The invitation bottom part, if it is grand, you can use that itself. I wanted it to be steady enough, so this is going to be a waste only for me, so I am using this. Take the outermost ring. It can be circle or square or cotton, for whichever occasion you are going to give as a gift. If it is going to be for Valentine's Day or something, then you can have a heart. Just apply little glue. This is the fabric glue, premium fabric glue, which I am using. If you want, you can use normal fabric glue also. Just paste it. This is a very light thing only. So if you apply little of glue itself, it is enough. Just paste it over here so that we get gap like this. Okay, through that only the lights will pass and it will give a great effect in the wall, or in the room decor itself. It will be very nice. This is ideal to be kept in all the places like living room you can have it in puja room, or for any special occasions, any functions, you can have it in the welcome table, anything like that you can use. Have some background alone when you keep it in such decorations, like background you need to have anything like that. So now I have pasted all the 4 things. Even more, if you want, you can add it here. If you want any other things to be added, you can add it. Like I'm going to add this also on the top so that it will look great. Okay, I wanted it like, I'm going to make it like a divine thing, like Shivalinga I'm going to make. So I thought this will be ideal for this. This is nothing but the piece which I have taken it from here. Apply only very little glue, it will stick nicely, okay? These are the simple materials which you will be very much available with you. You can take a normal chart paper like this, any chart paper you can take, you can color and keep. After the color dries, no, then you can use it for the purpose what you are doing, okay? This I'm going to leave it separately. Either you can use this or this. These are the simple ideas I have shown you, okay? See here, I have taken a CD and I have stuck one of the pieces like this. Then these are the caps, okay? This cap I have kept it here. I have applied glue and I have kept it here, okay? One above the other I have kept. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that the candle or the light which we are going to light it, no, that should be really little bit front only. Back side we are going to use only paper, okay? For that it should be ideal that it should not get burnt while doing it. There should be enough space between the holder and this holder and the rest of the thing what decoration we are going to make it with papers and all, okay? So I am going to keep this only here. So this much place is there so that when we light this lamp also, it is going to be in the front. It will look great, okay? So I have placed it. I have pasted this here like this, okay? Now this I am going to use it as a Shivalinga. For this I am going to color it. It can be colored ideally like which color it will be, like black. If you want, you can do it. Myself, I am not going to do with black. I am going to use any metallic colors. Like I wanted it to be in a metallic finish. So I am using this metallic color gold, okay? If you want it to be in copper or bronze color, in this box you get all the 4 colors. Bronze is there, rust is there, silver is there and gold is there. So it will be very good if you use such colors in this type of art, okay? I'm using fine art flat brush. You can get the brush in all the stationeries, okay? Just color this portion with gold, okay? Keeping it like this, it will be easy for you to color. Once it may be transparent. Now because of the time factor, I am going to color it only once. For you, it is clay. I will tell you what we are going to do, okay? In this clay, when you open it up, you will have 2 packs in it. Okay? You'll have 2 packs in it. One is the hardener and this is the other one resin base, okay? You need to open it up and equal quantity of both. This I am going to use only very little, okay? We need to take both the clay, equal quantity we have to take. Mix it up. While mixing, no, it should not touch your fingers or it should not spoil your fingers. For that, you can take any talcum powder. Little of talcum powder, you can dust it in your hand and take very little of the clay. Both should be taken, equal quantity should be taken. Only then after mixing, no, it will harden. Otherwise it is not going to get hard, and then you can't keep other items which we are going to assemble this tea holder. Okay, so this has to be mixed nicely like this. Putting it inside and outside, you need to mix it. We can use even oil, but oil I don't feel it is comfortable for me. That's why I am using only talcum powder, or any type of powder can be used, even chalk powder or plaster of Paris or anything. Whichever work we are doing, no, according to that you can use anything. Okay, mix it to the even ratio, like the even ratio you have to take and mix it to that. You don't have any wavy colors in this. Equally, all the thing like white color will be coming. You have to use that only. This I am going to place it in this portion. Okay, this portion I am going to place it, and I am going to place that Shivalinga thing what we have painted. No, that also we are going to paste it here. For both, I am going to use only this clay. This clay, if you want it to get pasted nicely, if you feel that it may not fix, then even you can add little of the fabric glue or any glue, whichever glue you have, you can take it, apply very little, and on that you make like cone-like thing I am going to make. What I have done is I have taken a CD, on that I have stick the plastic mold like design template what we get it in any invitations, that we can keep it here. And 2 caps of beverage, no, I have taken that and I have used it trend for holding the lamp or candle, whatever thing we want, we can place it here. And the cap I have used, and some waste caps and all is there, no, that we can use, or even like this bottles, even if it is waste, no, you can use it for this purpose. Okay, I wanted to make like Shivalinga, so I have taken this cap and I have kept it. It is not that everyone has to do the same thing, same idea. You can have anything like you can make even like Om, you can cut and you can paste it, or earlier itself with the clay you can make it like Om, or like peacock you can make, or anything, whichever idea you get, no, you can make it and place it over this place. And back side, what I am going to do is, initially I think this was audible for everyone, isn't it? This one I am going to place it at the back. So this from this portion, no, when the light passes through this, you'll have that room decor itself with which will be grand. Okay, this I am going to prick it inside the clay what I have placed here. Can you all see this? Very little of the clay only I have kept it here, and I am going to just prick it inside and place it here. For better holding, no, you can take little more clay and paste this over this Shivalinga. Okay, since I have taken it as a divine thing like Shivan or Shivalinga, I am doing it like this. If not, if you want anything romantic also, you can very well do it. It will take few minutes for us to make it stick this portion. That too I have colored it also, isn't it? That's why it is taking little bit time for us to stick. For arrangement alone, you take little time, okay? Only then you will be able to stick it nicely, so that it is folded and kept in a place. I think now it is kept correctly, isn't it? Yeah. Now for this Shivalinga, if you want to add something like snake or any mala you want to add, you can all do that now. For this, I wanted to give the paint again. One more coating I'll give. Okay. See, for the clay also, by the way, you just color it with gold itself. I want this thing to be in gold color, so I'm doing it again with gold, okay? With the clay also, you can very well do this thing. Like lingam, you can make it and keep. Since because this is plastic, if this pearl metallic color, it is not sticking properly, it will take some more time, like one coating we need to give. It has to dry, only then we can give some more coatings, okay? Clay is not dried actually, okay? Because of that only I am a little bit struggling to color it. When you are doing, take little more time. Leave for 10 minutes. Let the clay and the thing get stuck nicely. Then you can do the coloring. Okay. Now itself, when the clay is wet, it is really very difficult to color and it may not hold the thing also properly. So we must be very careful while doing this art. Okay. After doing, now that I'm going to put like garland, okay? Garland for this thing. For garland, what we have to do is make a card. Card means konju thick or a thin, thick thread-like thing you have to make. Or if you want to make any snake or something also, that also we can do it. But that also we need to make only like this. First I'll show you the snake, then I'll show you the garland. For that also we need to make card like this. Uniform thickness it should be. In the end alone, see that it is tapering. Okay, very lightly you can taper the ends. Just roll it. If you feel that the clay is sticking to your hand, then dust your hand with the talcum powder. This is a very simple arrangement I am showing you. You can have your own idea, okay? You can show it like it is lying here. One roll of it. The clay, it is not dried and so I am removing it. Otherwise, you have to have it. See, like how you want to mold it, it will come out very well. Okay, just rolling it like this. And in one corner, I am tapering it like this. Like petal, you need to press the thing so that you get a divine look of everything is wet actually. When you do, you allow it to dry for few more minutes, okay? Only then you have to do the painting, everything you do. For me, it is a time factor, I have to do it now. But you take your own time and then do it. I feel that the tail is too long. And so I am pulling it out. The rest of the clay I will be using for making garland. Okay. Here, if you want, you can show some prickings and all you can make so that it looks like a. Very often I use this strip only to make lines you can make, or you can make some with refill caps you can make some holes on the body. Holes in the sense just the impressions, not a hole, okay? One side alone I am giving this line impressions, okay? Just I'll have it in my side and I'll check whether it is good. For the snake, you can give something like copper color, you can give. And little more clay I'm going to take, and I'm going to use that for the making the garland, okay? Little by little only we need to mix it, otherwise it will get dried fast and we will not be able to shape it when to the shape what we require. I've taken the remaining clay also with this. I'm mixing it with this. Here if you want, you can have a pencil or something refills, and you can make some prickings like this so that it will look, have a real look, okay? Before pasting also you can do that, but while we are handling it, no, you may spoil the impressions. That's why I didn't do that. After pasting I'm doing it. If you want, if you are selecting somewhat bigger thing here like this, no, 2 or 3 rolls of the snake you can make it, and then you can give the details. Yeah, I've mixed it. Now make card like this, like how I showed you earlier, no? Like that you make a card. Roughly you see which length it is coming, okay? Then after that you can do it. Just see whether it is enough as a garland, okay? Yeah, I feel this is okay. Little bit alone I have to elongate. This portion, what you can do is, you can use any thin small scissors, and you can just have a prickings like this, okay? Here and there you make some prickings or cuttings like this so that it comes like this. Can you all see? Like prickings I have made here. Yeah, like that whole of the card you make it. After you make it, no, better clean this and keep, otherwise you can't use the scissor. Immediately after you are doing, but be careful that you don't cut and leave the thing. Just small prickings alone you make it, like only then it look the look will be like real garland, okay? Only 1 more minute we have, like if the connection is cut, again you can join with the same connection, okay? I am doing it in one top portion alone, just because like one side it is going to be stuck in the statue itself. Then later extra things and all we can do it, okay? Yeah, till this we are finished. Just take it, place it here, and the last end portion you make it like a ball, okay? You make it like a ball, like one roll you make it and keep, okay? The thing what we are having, no, that same thing you take it and keep it like a ball, and with pencil or something you can prick it again if you want. If you want, you can prick it with pen, or I'm using the same scissor itself. Prick it like this so that it will look like a end of the garland, okay? See our Shivlinga alone, whether you are able to see. See, for this I am going to give, for the garland, no, you can very well give white color, okay? Now the coloring procedure only, now I am going to start for this, then finish off all the small details whichever we want to do. Whatever thing you want, you can just do it, and later we'll be doing the decoration in this part, okay? This is Fevicryl acrylic white color I am taking, just because it is a garland, no, I wanted to give white, red and green. have some thin brushes, okay? Thin in the sense, a pointed brush you can have. Direct white color you can apply for the garland. Be careful that you don't color it on other areas which is not necessary. Touch little water if the flow is not good. See that you don't touch too much of water also. For the garland, just like that I have given white color, okay? And certain segments you can give green color. Light green and dark green can be used, and pink can be used. I'm using light green, okay? For the separations I'll show that, and then I'll use the pink or red color we can use. So I'm using this green color, okay? Since now only we have given white, it is little bit difficult only. And each section you can the side it should be even, okay? Actually, when the clay dries, you do like that. Otherwise, the shapes what we have given, everything it will get spoiled. I know I am experienced, like I'll do it, but for you it may be a difficult task. You may spoil your work what you have done, okay? So better do it in such a way that it is looking. Only when it dries you can do it. Then I'm using red color just because here the white itself it's not dried, and on that I want to see these two portions. I'm going to do it with red, okay? Very lightly just dab it like this so that pink color you will get in certain places, okay? So it look like a, if pink color it is not visible, then we can use even 3D cone liners, or very lightly if you take an upliner you will get the proper color. See this side you are getting it. Yeah, same way this side also we can use the same color itself. Just because the white itself is wet, I'm taking a little bit of white and doing it on top so that you get pink. Rose color will be nice. Then it will look like a rose, okay? Same color can be used in one segment. I'm leaving it and again I'm using it here down. Here and there, see that dark color red is also seen, only then it will have a natural effect. See, we have finished with the garland. I've done the garland, okay? For the snake, we are going to do it with metallic color. You can use either bronze or rust color, okay? I'm taking rust color because it will go well, or you can even use copper, okay? Copper goes well with gold. Rust it will be somewhat reddish, okay? But this copper color it goes very well. But the snake center portion alone I am planning to do it with gold itself. Other things and all just fully I am going to do it with copper or bronze, even if you want, you can do. But bronze, just to hang with gold also, you can very well do it. It will be nice. That also it will look holy only. Even at the back, you just color and keep, just because this can be used as a showpiece or in a welcome place and all. You can color it on all the portions. See that you use a pointed brush and color it evenly and nicely, okay? Till the clay is wet only. Yeah, center of that head portion, no, for the snake, I'm going to use only gold. So that any details if we want, we can give in that place. Okay. Now the coloring for that thing also, it is finished. Later what we are going to do is, for this we need to color. Either you can color it gold or you can use this, both the colors. Better I'll do it with gold on the top and bottom with copper. Take some bigger flatter brush so that it will be easy for you to finish it fast. Or you wanted it to be in some other color also, you can very well do it. This pearl metallic color, it will be little bit transparent only. Now we need to give one more coating. I not only take the free workshops alone, I take paid classes also. Whoever is interested, you can contact me, and any other reference if you want also, you can very well ask me and find out. If anyone have any doubts, you can get it clarified, okay? Like twice you need to color it, okay? You can do such pieces, and you even very well you can do it like a sales, okay? You can gift your friends, you can do sales. With minimal spending, you can earn a lot, okay? One more coating, only when it dries we can give, otherwise it is very difficult. While you are doing it, you just you can even color and keep. I wanted to show the real raw flavor of that thing what I have used. That's why I didn't color and keep earlier. Otherwise, I would have done that. But you may not know what I have used. That's why you should know what I have used. For that only I didn't color and keep. That's why now we can't give one more coating for that. This type of cone liners are available at shop. If you want all the colors, it is available in this. If you want, we can use this for making that Shivalinga's patta ella nama idla potrala. Okay. While using it, have rough cloth with you. One second, I'll do that and I'll show you. Otherwise, I may not I may not keep it in the center. That's why. I put the white color, okay? I finished putting the white color. Now I am doing it with red in the center. Now it will look backside also. And now if you have the glass colors, it will look really good when we use it for the CD. This CD portion, no, we can use very well the glass color. Glass colors are nothing but you have, these are the liquid colors, okay? It comes like nearly 10 colors, it comes in this pack. This type of pack, you get 10 colors. The same thing like smaller one, you get 6 colors. Whichever color you want, you can use it for this decoration purpose, or directly like this also you can leave it. Then the light is focused on that CD color, no, like radiant colors will be visible. If that is good, if you feel, you can have that itself, or you can have such glass colors that will also be reflected. That also it will look really good. Whichever thing you feel that it is good, you can very well do it. Now I'm taking blue color, okay? Instead of blue, if we want, we can use pink and blue. It goes very well. So we can have something like just you can drop the colors like lines only. I'm drawing it. I think everyone, you can see this. Before doing this, see that nothing is there in the CD. You clean the CD properly and then do it. Very simple decoration, you can do it with this. If you get any bubble, no, just touch it, it will go off. Leave little space, just very simply I am doing it. If you want, you can use 3D outliner board, make some designs, and then you can apply the glass colors. That you all people, you must have known that. And pink also the same way, I am going to do a line mark, or zigzag lines also you can very well draw. Zigzag lines also you can draw unevenly. That also it look modern only. Okay, now our tea light holder is ready.